Model, 67 plate Iveco Daily 35C14 Euro 6 twin-wheeler recovery truck starts drives bargain. Body, white, recovery. Mileage, 251094. MOT, the 17th of December 2025. Engine, 2287 cc F1 AGL 411 JC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Still starts and drives great, just 6th gear is missing, so it will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, none, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.